Now, let's look at this next example. 3x squared is equal to 7x. Under what conditions of x is the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side? Well, I can think of one. But let's not be fooled. Let's go through the algebra and figure it out. Often, the reason why we do it in an algebraic approach, it gives us a greater understanding and it leads to missed solutions. So I'm going to use my zero product property here. And the reason why I'm going to use my zero product property is because it's the only thing I know how to solve equations right now. To use the zero product property, I have to let one side equal to 0. So simply I subtract 7x from both sides. When I take a look at the left-hand side, I see that x is a factor. So I'm going to factor out the left-hand side. So x, factor out x from my expression, I get x times 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. The next thing I do is I notice I have two factors. I equate the first factor equal to 0, and I equate the second factor is equal to 0. So then I simply solve. My first factor here, x minus 0, x is equal to 0, is a solution. The next one is going to take a little bit of work, but not much. So if 3x minus 7 is equal to 0, I'm going to solve this very simple linear equation. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides. If 3x is equal to 7, I'm just going to simply divide both sides by 3. So I have, therefore, solutions at x is equal to 0 and 7/3. Now, I said check your solution. I will leave this up to you to check your solution using graphing.